Tampa Bay is known as a leader in healthcare, yet many stigmas have held back those in the LGBTQIA community. We're at the St. Pete location of Metro Inclusive Health to talk about the opportunities that exist, and I'm joined by one of the organization leaders, Brian Bailey. Brian, thanks for having me here.
Yeah, thanks for coming out.
Yeah, so historically, what have been some of the challenges for those in this community?
Well, this organization was born out of a challenge, and that was the HIV crisis in the 80s and 90s. The organization was founded in 1993 with one service and one service only, meant to address that, and that was HIV case management. That really was an effort to help folks that were living with HIV find access to medications, access to care. Back in the day, if you think about it, much like how COVID started, we didn't know much about it, right? So a lot of providers were afraid of providing care. There wasn't enough known about medication. So Metro was founded out of a need to fill that for the community.
Wow, and so much has changed over the decades. I'm excited even to learn and be a part of some of the new testing and things like that that are offered. Tell me about that.
Yeah. It's amazing. We still have people that come in and think that getting an HIV test is going to take 2 weeks to get the results. We have tests today that are 99% accurate that give you results in less than a minute. So it's come a long way. And then obviously prevention has come a long way. We now have PrEP, which is a daily pill or a bi-monthly injection. For those that are sexually active and could be at risk, that prevents HIV. It's a lot different time than it used to be when the organization started, for sure.
And these are the type of things that help the LGBTQIA community, the community in general here in Tampa Bay, because you have a pharmacy and there's behavioral health. Talk to me about all those other things that are a part of the components.
So it's hard to believe, that an organization started in 1993 with one service now offers over 100 cumulative services and programs. We help with housing security, food security. We really go out of our way to make sure that every patient is taken care of, insured or not, honestly.
What's really cool about this location I noticed here on Central Avenue is you have the main offices, but what's the building next door?
That is our pharmacy, the Metro Inclusive Pharmacy, and that is a very important part of our DNA as an organization. So insured patients that come here to get their care and fill their prescriptions with our pharmacy are automatically part of our co-pay it forward system. So that means basically we're able, because we're not-for-profit, we're able to buy the drugs at a discount, but we're able to bill the insurance companies a fair amount for it. So we're able to take that money and put it back into the community. It's a significant part of who we are as an organization, and even more the reason, if you want to come get quality care with us and you want to give back to our community, Metro Inclusive Health is the place to do it.
And what would you say to those that maybe are still skeptical or apprehensive about coming through the doors to get help?
For us, the mission is the mission. And that is, if you come through our doors and you need care, we're going to make it happen no matter what your background or needs are. So don't be afraid. And as we talked about, things have come along so far. A lot of people are still afraid to come in and get that test or come in and know their status. But knowing in about a minute or let's say 15 minutes or under, there's just really no reason not to know, and it's free. So why not?
Why not? Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Thank you.